Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the wall and paper type. Paper tiers versus vinyl behaves differently, so score if vinyl. Next, fill the steamer tank to the max line and lock the lid. This prevents spills and maintains pressure. Plug in the unit and wait about 6 to 8 minutes until the ready light or steam indicator engages. Once you see steam, test a small area to confirm heat transfer, because correct temperature makes stripping efficient and reduces wall damage. You press the steam plate flat against a 1 foot by 1 foot section, holding for 20 to 30 seconds so the adhesive softens. This timing lets steam penetrate without saturating the wall. Then, make a low-angle scrape with a wide scraper. Lift from the softened edge and pull downward in overlapping vertical strips. Once done, reapply steam to stubborn patches rather than forcing the blade, because repeated scraping damages drywall. Using heat preserves the substrate and speeds progress. You finish by wiping remaining adhesive with a damp sponge and warm water, switching to a trisodium solution for persistent gummy spots. This cleans residue and preps the surface. Once done, allow the wall to dry completely before patching or painting. Running a dehumidifier can speed drying and prevent mold. If the steamer stalls, make sure the tank has water and the thermostat hasn't tripped. Turn off, let it cool, then restart. Because pressure and safety interlocks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.